Ate, hi! Hello guys! And we're going to make hot pot and then ilupak. Guys, so we're here in Co-op naman because we're looking for ingredients for our hot pot for today. Look guys, how many small tomatoes they have. Assorted tomatoes. They have green, like this, small cherry tomatoes as well. And this one. Ay, nakakatawa guys. Nakaka-happy. Ayan o. And then they also have this bigger one. Like this. Haha. So big. Yeah. Different types of cheese guys. Ayan. Mama's going to buy ham. Mama, what ham did you bought?
It's a reindeer.
Reindeer ham? Reindeer?
Ren steak or reindeer.
And then we also going to have this one guys. Mama's going to make takoyaki. I just don't know if she's gonna do it today or tomorrow, but we're also going to film it. Yeah, so yeah, this is octopus. There's different types of sausages. And Mama's going to have reindeer. I haven't tasted. Yes guys, they also have, what is this Mama? Horse?
Horse.
Yeah, horse meat. And then Mama's going to give me reindeer meat. So this is it. Let's taste guys. Aha!
Men den är ren, den är ganska god.
Oh.
Äter du inte kött alls?
Jag äter kött, men inte det dock.
Bebe, Bubu.
Hi, Mama.
Yeah, you have to drive carefully,
Det är
ah.
sån här vi ska säga egentligen.
Ate, you have to drive carefully.
Right here in the
Toot toot, you have to say toot toot. We're in the other supermarket now guys, and we're looking for pak choy for the hot pot. Let's see if we can find here. Yeah, so cold. It's so cold. Beep 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 beep.
we're here.
Yeah. See guys, this is the typical Swedish summer.
Too cold.
Yeah, it is cold. Yeah, see? There's a lot of house, what do you call this? Mobile house over there guys. Ayan. Mobile house there. And there too. Oh my god, those are dreams. Ah. Just dream guys. Hi! Halika na ate. Get inside the car. Get inside the car. The other way.
What?
No.
What?
There's Kayla's.
Here? Girl,
Get in.
like girls like you. Mama, you sit high.
No, I didn't sit there. You have to sit here. The other one. No, no, no.
Here?
Yeah.
Here?
No.
Here?
Yeah.
You're a friend.
Okay. So, ayan guys, we are already at home. So, ayan, these are the cassava that Mama made. And she just peeled it. And we're going to steam it right now. The weather is still so bad. So, we're just going to be inside the house for the rest of the day. So, now you can see here is the steamer. Ayan. My mom have every kitchen accessories you can think of. So, yeah. Appliances, guys. So, see? She have this fancy steamer. And she's steaming now the cassava. Also, this waffle maker, air fryer. She also have for the hot pot. What's this one? Turbo?
Turbo broiler.
Yeah, turbo broiler. She have coffee machines. What do you call this?
Microwave.
Microwave. Yeah. I have the smallest appliances in the kitchen, whereas my mom have the luxurious appliances. Oh my god. See guys, her
Knock.
freezer, yeah, her ref.
Knock.
See. Oh my
Knock the door.
goodness. Knock the door?
Knock the door.
Oh my god. Ayan. See, Chen? That's how it is. Ayan guys. So I have the simplest home accessories, and my mom, she loves her kitchen so much. So yeah, this is how it looks like. Ayan. Yes guys, so we are about to start our hot pot. So ayan. Ayan, kompleto na siya. May pak tray na rin tayo, and we also have this vermicelli noodles, as well as this one. This one guys, you can easily find this in Asian store. In Stockholm, we have it here, there as well. So to my friends who's looking for ingredients for hot pot, you can always find it in Hotoriet, as well as these sauces. Ayan, ready made. And itong beef and lamb. So it's already slices into thin pieces. And the mushrooms. Ayan guys, let's go eat. Ayan guys, and my mom just bought this new hot pot pan, especially for hot pot. So ayan guys, she told me she's supposed to give me as a gift, but yeah, sabi niya meron na daw ako, pero maliit na bagay na maliit na bagay, pwede naman. What is that?
Fish.
Yeah, that's fish. What fish cake? Yeah, they have this guys, and you can buy this in one packet. So just one package, and then you have a lot of varieties already. So that one too. Ayan, hintayin natin guys, balik tayo dito sa Christmas, and let's see if I'm gonna get this as a gift to our mom. From my mom.
Parang makonsensya man ako niyan.
Yes,
May patama agad na ano.
I love you.
Papasko na.
I love you, mother.
Siyempre naman, pwede naman ang kapalit naman yan ay Michael Kors. Na bag, ayos lang yun.
Ayan guys, let's go eat. Let's go eat guys. Kain na. Perfect for the rainy weather. Yep. And guys, let's go eat. Kimchi perfect also. Hot pot for kimchi. If you haven't tried it, oh my god guys, this is very good. Kimchi. Just had our dinner, the hot pot. It's very delicious and scrumptious. And now we are making some crinkles, and mama is making nilupak. So mama, what did you do?
Just mashing.
Yeah, after she steam it, she's going to
Mush
it. And you're going to take off all of these guys. The, what do I call this? Roots.
Almost roots.
Yeah, the hard part. Guys, this is how it looks like. Ma, what did you put after? After
Margarine
you
and
mush it.
condensed milk.
You put a unsalted butter and condensed. How about the measurements?
That's a good question. Next question.
Okay guys, so I'm just going to
You can see the
consistency.
yeah. And
You can taste it. Yeah, you can taste it according
After
to
your
your
sweet.
yeah, according to how sweet you want your nilopak. So ayan guys, but it's just cassava roots, unsalted butter and condensed. Ayan guys, my mom is putting the nilopak in the container. Ayan. So you can do like this as well with a piping bag, or you can just put it directly to the container. Ayan. Guys, so my mom just put cheese, and she put also butter after she prepared the nilopak. So ayan guys, be generous with your cheese para mas masarap. And then ayan, ito yung ginamit namin, Eden cheese from the Philippines.
Ano ito na dito, Stephanie? Uy!
So kasama sa cheat day natin for today is of course yung crinkles. Ito yung kaninang ini-experiment ko guys. I was trying to make a unicorn theme crinkles for Nikyle's birthday. So ayan, we managed to pull it off. Yeah. So these ones are the blueberries. Ayan. These ones are the citron, lemon. These ones are strawberry flavor, and these ones are ube. Medyo lacking of color lang yung ube. And this one is multicolor. Oh! Wilhelmier! Ayan guys, successful cheat day. Hi guys, we're still at my mom's kitchen. Ayan, we're just going to eat the nilipak. We're going to have merienda. Hi ate, and then coffee. And then here are the crinkles that we made last night. So ayan guys, ayan na lang yung natira. Pero it was a successful crinkles though. I'm just going to put a different video on DIY candy buffet for kids party. So ayan guys, dito lang muna tayo sa bahay, mag-chill down tayo ulit, and we're going to try a little bit more of the food.
Oha.
So I also tried the Oreo chocolate covered ones. So this is the result and I'm so happy. So we just put the sprinkles yan with the unicorn and with her initial number 4 and a little bit more of design. So ayan, white chocolate lang to ginamit namin guys. So ayan, and ito na lang yung natira guys sa crinkles. So yes, and my mom prepared this for dinner. Yan, ginawa tayo ni Mama Lheng ng blood pudding
Blodpalt.
Blodpalt. Ayan guys, this is delicacy here up north. This is made of blood. I'm not sure how am I going to like this. So this is blood with flour and
salt.
then
Water and salt.
yeah, water and salt, and then we have bacon silk jam. This is strawberry jam and this ano to ma? What's this? Butter?
Butter.
So yeah, I'm not sure if I'm going to like it, but yeah, we tried already the reindeer and it's not so bad. So I think I'm gonna try this too, and let's see how it is. And guys, we're trying it now. It's not so bad actually. I like it. It's really good.
Especially if you use real butter.
Very nice guys. These are one of the delicacies here up north, as well as the sustruming, but I'm not gonna try the sustruming because their festival is not now, so
It's in October.
it's in August.
August.
Yeah.
But your tita tried that and he called it blood brownies, Swedish brownies.
It's nice guys. Ayan guys, so Mama Lheng is now making dinuguan. So ayan guys, and we're also going to do meringue. Ayan. So this is the third dessert, and the two attempts that we had is successful, and I'm hoping this one will be successful as well. So ayan guys, so we just have 2 white eggs and 150 grams of sugar. So yeah, we're going to show you later what we're going to do with this one, but yeah, we're going to create meringue, and look who's helping me. Hi.
Alam mo na ba kung ang grader?
Ito doon sa paper ko, 100 Celsius for 45 minutes.
Oh my god.
100 Celsius?
Okay, so now we're going to bring the plate and I have a single one. I'm going to put it in a preheated oven at 225 degrees.
So, ayan guys, we already put it in the piping bag. Oy! So, we have the yellow, the pink, the blue, and the purple one. So, ayan guys. This is how it look like. And for the main part of the unicorn, we have this big piping bag with the white color. So, ayan guys, we're going to decorate now. We're going to try to decorate. This is my first time. And Mama Lheng is going to help me how to do it. So, it...
Shit, natubo. Kasi pag ang lahat ng asukal, hindi pa nagmemaano, may tendency mag-aaral lang para makita ko kung nasan yung puwet. Ito ka ba? Ako ginagalit mo ha. Oo nga ano! At saka hindi, kailangan taga natin anak yung bilog. Tsaka mabuti pa, pag yan ang ginawa natin, talagang yung tamang sukat na binibigay niya, 100 grams.
Tingnan mo, tanong mo, Nicole.
Kumo,
Ito yung tinatry namin gawin. At ito
tama
yung...
naman ng konti.
Ito yung... What is this? Chubby unicorn ni mother. Ayan, guys. Yung itsura. Pero ayan, guys, first try pa lang naman namin. And yeah, nagkakatuwa lang din kami ni mama.
Mukha naman, at least mukha siyang ano.
O siyang baboy.
Baboy unicorn!
Guys, so ito yung mga napaglaruan kong design. Ayan, parang unicorn horn to. Tapos, ayan lang, heart lang siya. Pinagdugtong-dugtong ko lang. Tapos, letter N. Tapos, ayan yung mga rainbows natin. And number 4, tsaka heart. So, ayan guys. Let's see kung anong kakalabasan nito mamaya. Pero, ayan. And, yung gawa natin, let's see guys. Ayan guys, so ito na siya. Ayan. This is so nice. Pero ano, for first attempt, I think this is very nice na guys. So, ayan yung itsura niya. Unicorn. And then yung dito niya, ito yung face niya of course. And then yung body. Tapos yun yung kunwaring hair. And heart. Tapos dito lalagyan na lang natin siya ng parang ano, eyeliner na ano, mata. And then we're going to put stick as well. Ayan guys, yung isa pa nating design. I think for first attempt, this is quite good na no, ma?
So, palusog na, no?
Ito medyo chops.
Only chubby. This is the extra large.
Extra large. Pero ito guys, I really think it's
The
cute.
sexy unicorn.
Yeah. And then we can put gold dust dito na lang sa horn niya. So, yun guys. So happy. Mama, kala, kama ako si Chenchen. Tignan natin kung kama mo si Tito.